Welcome back to Max's Mining channel. Today I am here to tell you a little bit about my newest purchase, the newest part of the family, the 3070 Ti we've got here. So I've already unboxed it and put it in my main rig, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my mining capacity is maxed out downstairs in the basement, so all I have left is this guy that has enough power on the line. So yeah, I swapped out the 1080 that was in there for the 3070 Ti and got it up and running. But the first thing I noticed was there was a very limited hash rate. I was getting like 37 mega hash on daggerhashimoto. So I was trying to figure out why the low hash rate, why the low profitability on the 3070 Ti, and I figured out that, well, you're not supposed to use daggerhashimoto, but other algorithms to mine with this guy. So, of course, had to look into why my Nicehash quickminer was only using daggerhashimoto. So, a little bit of digging, and I found out that if you uninstall Nicehash quickminer and install just the normal Nicehash miner, this Nicehash miner actually comes with more than one algorithm. So you have the option of using daggerhashimoto, Kaopao, octopus, etc. And this is really what you want. You want the option. You want the flexibility of choosing which algorithms you can use and for which card in the end. So we have we had Nicehash quickminer, and we uninstalled it and reinstalled it, Nicehash miner, of course following the regular settings that you have to remove the Windows security, and just follow the instructions in the end when you're trying to install a new rig, right? So you would go here, and instead of picking the Nicehash quickminer, you would pick Nicehash miner, and of course you have to go through method 1, disable Windows Defender real-time protection, and create an exception for the Nicehash folder that's going to be created once you install it. So yeah, go ahead and install it, follow the instructions, and when that's up and running, you'll see the extra algorithms that you can get, and it'll start mining the preferred algorithm. So that brought me back up to $4.34 Canadian after electricity expenses. So this is a net profit. And it's doing just fine, as we can see on Octopus. Before it was running on Kaopao. So I know it does both, and it'll switch automatically from one to the other. Now it's running Octopus, as you can see, and you see it'll fluctuate between Kaopao and Octopus, I guess, depending on which one's the most profitable at this given time, at any given time. So you don't have to worry about changing algorithms. Nicehash miner will do that for you, which is great. That's about it for today. That's all I have to show you. Thank you very much, and thanks for your support, everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.